Unleash the phantom mouse jiggler. Just attach a wireless mouse dongle to a friend's computer and let the fun begin. Move the cursor, open windows, cause chaos. Or how about some autocorrect shenanigans? Change common words to something hilarious. Imagine replacing hello with I love pickles. Ever seen an inverted screen? Just press Ctrl-Alt-Arrow key on their computer and watch the world turn upside down. Or pair your Bluetooth keyboard with their device and type away. Ever tried the desktop screenshot wallpaper prank? Screenshot their desktop, set it as their wallpaper, hide all icons, and watch them click aimlessly. And don't forget the fake system update pop-up. Nothing sends chills down the spine like an unexpected update. But the fun doesn't stop there. Cover their mouse sensor with opaque tape, swap keyboard keys, or change voice commands on their smart devices. Just remember, it's all fun and games until the camera comes out. So have fun creating your YouTube Shorts masterpiece, and don't forget to use hashtags and keywords. Over and out.